Good morning, everyone. In this class, in this video, we will study about fraction. So, we will study each and everything related with fraction. So, you have to be continue in this video, but if you skip this video, it could be you will miss so many things. So, I request to all of you, if you are watching this video, you have to be continue because this video is not taking so much time. In the little time, you will get so many things. So, just I'm going to start about fraction. So, fraction. Fraction. So first I need to know about fraction. What is fraction? Which is fraction? So fraction is in the form of p by a by q. This is called fraction. So fraction there is two terms. One is upper part and another is lower part. So this one is called upper part is called numerator. Numerator and this one is called denominator. Denominator. Denominator, and I said upper part is called numerator and lower part is called denominator. So as a digit, suppose we have 9 by 7 by 9. So 7 is called numerator and this one is called denominator. Denominator. This one is called denominator and upper part is called numerator. And next, I want to say that there are different types of fraction. Suppose this one is 9 by 7 and this is also 9 by 7. This is 7 by 9 and another is 9 by 7. So there is different of denominator and numerator. So if you compare, then we will say that what is called this, because this is not same, both are different to each other. So that reason each and every is called different name with different name. So this one is called because its numerator is less than with denominator. So this one is called proper fraction, which numerator is greater than denominator. That one is called improper fraction. So now we'll study about fraction. So type of fraction. So type of fraction. First one is proper fraction. So I'm going to say about proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? I say that which, suppose this one is 7 by 9 and another one is 9 by 10 and 11 by 12 dot dot etc. So in this fraction we see that which numerator is less than denominator, that is called proper fraction. In this one is also 9 and denominator is 10. So I am saying that it is also less than denominator. So this is called, this types of called proper fraction. And next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Suppose if I am writing this all one in reciprocal form 9 by 7 and this one is 9 by 10 by 9 and 12 by 11 dot etc. So in this term what we see that which which numerator is greater than denominator, that is called improper fraction. And improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction, but proper fraction cannot be converted into mixed fraction. So next one is mixed fraction. Any fraction is any mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. If any fraction is in the form of, suppose I have 7 by 1 upon 2, 7, 1 by 9, 10, 11 plus 1, like this. So this one is 1 upon 2 by 7 and this one is 1 upon 1 by 9, 1 upon 1 by 11. So these types of call, these all are like this form, these all are mixed fraction. Suppose mixed fraction is also in the form of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 5, and next one is also like 8 upon 2 by 7. These all are types of mixed fraction. So next one is equivalent fraction. Next one is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. What is the means of equivalence fraction? So suppose I am writing this one 10 by 20. This one is 4 by 8 and this one is 6 by 12 and next 8 by 16 etc. If I write this all, then if you will solve that, then it will come in the form of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and this one is also 1 by 2 and this one is also 1 by 2 etc. These all are, because all are same to each other, these all are called equivalent fraction. Next one is I studied about equivalence fraction, and another is like fraction. Like fraction. Like fraction means which has same denominator. Suppose 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. Both are like fraction. And another is 3 by 6, 3 by 7. 3 by 7 and 20 by 7. That means denominator should be equal, should be same. That is called like fraction. If we comparison two fraction which is greater, which is lower, then in that case I made, suppose say 2 by 7 and another is 3 by 7. So which one is greater? Then I know that both of them, suppose if I compare both of them, then I know that both of denominator is same. That's, and now we'll see numerator which is greater. Then I see that 3 is greater than 2. That means its value will be 2. So if any types of fraction is given, then first I need to make denominator same. Suppose 2 and 3. Another is 5 by 7. So how I'll know that which one is greater? Both of them. Which one is greater than which one? So in this case, what I do, I multiply, I made both of denominator same. Suppose if I multiply, this one is 7, then it will be 21. 7, 14 cross 21, because I need to multiply. This one is 3 and it will also multiply with 3. So now we see that this one is 21 and this is 15. Both of denominator is same, and in this case we say that this 15 is greater than 14, then it is this one is greater than this one. That means we see that 22 by 3 is, and 5 by 7 is greater than like 2 by 3. So these all are like fraction and unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means unlike fraction is which denominator is unlike unlike fraction, which denominator is not same, that is called unlike fraction. 2 by 3 and another is 5 by 2 and 3 by 7 etc. These all are example of unlike fraction. So now we see different types of fraction, and now I will see that how to add fraction to with another fraction with another digit. So now I'm going to add two fraction to another. Add of fraction. Suppose I have 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6, and in the case what we do we take LCM both of them, 3 and 6. If I take LCM, then it will be 1 and 2. That means its value is 6. Its value is 6. And now next term is I write 1, and another term is I divide with 3 in 6. If I divide with 3 in 6, then I see that it's is divided with a 2. That means I need to multiply 1 with 2. Next is a plus. If there is plus, then I must have to give the sign of plus. Another term is 5. Now I need to divide with this denominator in this denominator. So if I divide this one, then it will 6 1 ja 6. That means its value is 1. So next, if I solve, then I see that it is 2 and 5. That means 6 7 by 6. It's is sum of two fraction equal to 7 by 6. And another is also, if I have 5 by 4 by 3 and plus 2, then how I need to add? In the case, I see that which has no denominator, I see that 2 has no denominator, then I need to suppose 1 is denominator of 2. Then after this I take LCM 3r and 1, then if I see that it cannot be solved in the form of LCM, then we multiply both of them, 3 and 1, then it is 3, 3 ones are 3. Next one is, if I multiply both of them, and I see that its LCM is 3. Now with this 3 I need to divide off this 3. That means first I need to write 4 and 3 ones are 3. Its value is 3 1. Next one is, I need to put the plus value, and another term is, again I need to write 2 here and cross multiplication. If I divide this one in this term, in this 3, then I see that 3 1 ja 3, that means its value is 3. If I solve both of them, then I see that this is 4 and 6 plus 3 equal to 10 by 3. This is types of fraction, either fraction. And subtraction. Another term is subtraction. Subtraction. Subtract, other subtraction. Suppose if I subtract 1 by 6 minus 1, then what will be value of this one? I already told that if which has no denominator, then I need to suppose there is 1. And if I multiply 6 and 1, then its value is 6. And if I divide 6 in 6, then it is 6 and 1 minus 1, and this one is should be replaced here, and there is should be put value of cross. If I will multiply 6 1, and this means value will come 6, multiply 1 ja 1 is equal to 1, and 6 1 ja 6 by 6, its value is 5 by 6. That means I see that its value is 6. By this steps you can subtract. Another form is also 3 by 9, and another is 4 by 5. If I take LCM 4 and 5, because both are not same, so that its LCM will be not. So I need to multiply this. This one will be 5 9 5 45. 45. Next turn, I need to write here 3 and should be sign of multiplication, multiply. Then I need to write, if I will divide with 9, then it's become 5 turn. 9 5 so 5 minus 4, and again I need to write 4. This 4, and there is multiplication. If I write 5 is divided in the 45, 5 is divided in 45, then its value will be 9. In 9 times its value will be 45. That's I multiply like this. This one is 15 minus 40 36 minus by 45. If I subtract, if I subtract minus 1, that means it is 1 and 2. It one is 21 by 45. If I divide, if I divide with 3, 3, then 7. If I need to divide with 3, that means 21. 3, this value 21, 7 3 ja 21, it is going to divide. And if I divide this one with 3, and there is condition that with this 3, this digits, this number should be also divide with 3. 3 4 by 5, that means 1 3 and 5. If I multiply, that means 5 3 ja 15, and its value is 15. Then it is divided by 3, 15, that means 7 by 15, its value is. So if I write this one in this turn, its value will be come out 7 by 15. So next one is multiplication. This one 7 by 15. So in this way we see that, and I see it is subtraction. Next one is multiply. Next one is multiply of fraction. So first one is, suppose this is 21 by 18, and this another is 20 by 30. So how I need to multiply this one? So if I can see that if this one is divided, I must have to divide 5 4 ja 20, and next one is 5 6 ja 30, and another one is 2 ja 2, and 2 3 ja 6, and this one is 7 3 ja 21, 7 3 ja 21, and 7 4 ja 28. 28. If I solve it, we can write in the form of 3 by 4, and another is 2 by 3. If I see, if this one is divided, then I need to write like this one 2. 2 the 2 2 the 4 and 3 1 the 3, it will cancel. So now it is 1 by 2 and another is 1. So if I multiply with denominator to denominator and numerator to numerator, 1 ja 1 1 ja 1 and 2 1 ja 2. So this one is value of multiplication. Now another is, I will see that rule of division. Rule of division. So divide. First is, suppose I have divide of fraction 5 by 7 and this one is 5 by 5 5 by 7. So what will be this? If this one is, this is saying that divide of fraction, its rule is, if first term is given, two term is 5 by 7 and another is also 5 by 7, I need to write first term like this and I need to replace divide sign with a multiply sign. If I, then its denominator will be go upper side 7 by 5 and numerator will be downside. That means it should be reciprocal. Reciprocal means 5 by 7 reciprocal of 7 by 5. That means it should be opposite. Same is here. So now it is going to cancel, then its value is 1. If another form, if I need to write like 2 by 3 and is divided to 15 by 10 by 7, and then what I need to do, that I need to write first term 2 by 3 and multiply, divide should be replaced with multiply sign, then it means it will go upper side and its one will be downside. If any one is divided by 5, then it means 1 by 3 and another is 7 by 5, that means 7 by 15, its values of multiply. So next one is, so what I see, that I see there are different types of rules of fraction. Now next one is about decimal. You need to study about little things about decimal. So, and one thing is that I am missing, so I need to say that about mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, if there is mixed fraction 5 upon 6 by 7, then how it will convert into improper fraction? So its rule is, if 5 upon 6 by 7 is given, now I write like 7 as a denominator and 5 is multiplied with 7 and 6 is added. So now 35 plus 6 by 7, that means this one is 41 by 7. This is types of mixed fraction convert into improper fraction, because I know that which numerator is greater than denominator, that is called improper fraction. So this one is improper fraction. Like this we can solve. So now one is rule of decimal. Decimals. Suppose here is 2 upon 5 by 6.146. So this one is called ones, and this one is called ones, and another term is called tens, and this is hundreds, hundreds, and this one is called tens, tens, and this one is called hundred, hundreds, and this is to called thousands, thousands. So if I need to write this fraction in the expanded form, how I will write this one in the expand expanded form? If I need to write, suppose I have this one 56.146. If normally, if there is question is given 256, then how I will write in expanded form? This one is write like 2, and after this I see there is 2 digit 1, and 5 is also 2 plus 6. Like this I can write this one in expanded form. If there is point about decimal, how I can write this one in a decimal form? Suppose there is 2 cross 1 plus 5 cross 10 plus 6. Now if 1 is given, then I write 1, and next 1 is 4 cross hundreds. That means second term I need to write second. Next one is 6. That means 6 cross 1 by 1000. So like this in the form, if there is question is given, write one, this in expanded form, then I need to write like this. This is expanded form. If any fraction is given 5 by 7, then someone is saying that find odds in a decimal form. So converting decimal form is too easy, because I need to divide 5 with a 7. Then I write it is going to divide with 0. If I multiply with 7, it will 0. Now it is 5 point, and if I put point, this one is 49. Then next one is, suppose this one is fraction, to convert in decimal form I need to write 1. 1, it is 0.017. Now 3 is one another in 4. That means I need to write 1.714. approx max value is like this in the form. If any decimal is given, I write this one in the, suppose, do you understand about these all things I explained, that how we can write in expanded form? This all is expanded form. This one is expanded form. So I hope you can understand about these all things. Next one is, if any fraction is given, to convert decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal, how we can convert any fraction? So how you can write this fraction into decimal fraction? Suppose any fraction is given 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is fraction is given, fraction is given, then it is saying that convert into decimal. Convert into decimal. So now if I divide 5 by 5 by 7, if I divide, it means 5 is divided with 7. 0 1, its value is 5. Next one, if I write 7 4 ja 7 7 ja 49, it's 0 1. And now if I write one value, this one is 7, then it is 3. Next one is 0 and it is 4. 7 4 ja 28, like this. That means we can take approximate value of 714. So its value is decimal. If any fraction is given, suppose next term is that it's saying that if in decimal is given, suppose 0.234, convert into fraction. Convert into fraction. Then how we will convert this? Suppose I see that there is 2 3 4. 2 3 4 is given, then I need to write this. Suppose if this is given, then I need to write 2 3 4 and I replace this decimal with a 3 digit is 0. That means 2.4 is 1000. If this one is divided, then I need to divide. Either I can write this one is in the form of fraction. So by this way I can write and I can solve these types of question. If there is any question is coming out with a fraction, I need to know and I need to notice about these all things. So as I told to everyone, if you are being with this channel, if you are to solve so many questions, really you will get so many videos. These all are so much important and these all are so much helpful. So I need to say that something is very important. Something is very important.